Okay, today I want to make something to dig this up. I've got bush roots right here and all along here, and I want to dig these roots up. Now I've got a 3/8 inch hole tapped down here, and there's one on the other side. Those are going to be used as set screws. So I'm going to show you a drawing of what I'm going to be doing here. First of all, the inside diameter of that tube that I showed that was blue is 2 3/8. I put times 2 because it's 2 3/8 by 2 3/8. And then next we're going to have this shaft. This is going to fit up into that tube, that square tube. And I possibly will have 2 holes like this or 2 like this. And then this is going to be the bottom of this. It's going to be like this. It's going to be sort of a clevis. Whoops. Now I'll draw it up here. It's going to be like this. This is going to have holes in it, and this is going to have a shovel. It's going to be some sort of a shovel, and this end actually is inaccurately drawn because this end right here is going to have sort of a point. Sort of a point like that. Something in the shovel type category. And I'm going to really sharpen this here because I'm going to be cutting roots. And then this will be welded on right here.